This is the story of Mezu, a sweet little girl who loved food more than anything. Mezu believed her tummy was a superhero that never got full. One day, she ate parathas,
Wow,
eggs, and
breakfast!
halwa for breakfast.
Smells
And
so
on her way to
good.
school, she
Time to
couldn't
eat.
resist eating samosas, too. At school, she enjoyed chips and chocolate, and slowly her tummy started to grow round like a
This is the
balloon.
best part of
Her
school.
tummy softly
So
warned her to
crunchy and sweet.
stop, but
Oops,
Mezu
tummy's
just
getting
laughed
full.
and took another bite. In the
Mezu, let's have a
evening, she
snack.
ate burgers,
A talking
fries, and
tummy.
ice cream.
Shh, it's our
When she
secret.
finally sat down, there was a funny cartoon
And these
poof.
fries are perfect.
Nothing bad happened, just
Yay, ice
sparkles,
cream now.
laughter, and floating food
Oof, I ate
emojis.
too much.
That day,
Whoa, my
Mezu learned an
belly.
important lesson. Eating is fun, but balance is even better. Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
You're smiling back. We're both so happy.